You wanna say good morning? Huh? You wanna say good morning to the people? Good afternoon na pala guys kasi it's 1. Tadan! And si Kai nandito pa sa kanyang kot. Say hello! Good morning! Who's that boy? Good morning, my love! Say good morning! Mauntog ka. Good morning! At afternoon! Say maayong hapon! Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan! Say maayong hapon! Are you gonna get my camera? Is that what you're planning to do? Oh! Agoy. You alright? Hindi masakit? Oh, sige. Lalapit ng lalapit yan. Lalapit ng lalapit yan. Oh. 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 Sige. Abutin mo. Dito na siya. Ala, sige. Oh, what's this? Hello! Oh, balik ulit. Sige. Is that what you want to get? Mommy's camera. Masira mo. Anyway, punta tayo sa baba. No, let's go down. Si ate tsaka si daddy nag-pick up ng groceries sa Coles. And then I think they're going straight to fish shop. Kasi may bibili na ata si daddy na fish. Fish ba yung bibili ni daddy? Siyempre, fish. No. Okay. Let's go down. Let's go down. Today is Wednesday, guys. Si Nia ay nasa bahay kasi wala siyang school this week na Wednesday. Next week pa yung Wednesday school niya. So, yes. Let's go down. Dinilaan mo pa talaga ang aking lalagyan ng ano. Oh, tara. Let's go. Hala. Laglag ka na. Nasa edge na ikaw. Oh, say hello, Pochi. Pochi, hello. Dito din si Pochi. Oh, abutin mo pa. Malaglag ka na. Malaglag na ikaw. Oh, sige. Tara. Nasa baba na kami, guys. Hindi pa pala sila nakaalis. They're stuck in the garage kasi the garage wasn't rolling up. No. And I think nasira siya lalo kasi tinry siya ni Daddy push down. Pero umalis na siya. He used another car to pick up my order kasi yung schedule nun is 12 to 2. Mag-2 na. 1:46 na. Kala ko nakaalis na kanina pa. Hindi pa pala nakaalis. Anyway, hindi pa ako naka-lunch. Mia, you want spaghetti? Yeah? Hindi din ako makakain ng lunch kasi walang rice. Nag-order pa ako. Nandun pa yung rice sa order ko. Ayan. I'll have spaghetti na lang. Spaghetti. Gawa to ng sister-in-law ko. Kami? Take away. Take away. Busy yung dalawa. Tingnan nyo silang cute-cute. Busy sila dyan. Nagbahay-bahay si ate. May ginawa siyang bahay-bahay dyan. And, yan. Si Kai din, oh. happened, baby? Mm.
When I was a baby, I was sharing all my baby toys to Kyle because he's a baby and I don't need them anymore. I'm an adult.
You're an adult.
Hi. What a baby toys. You like those squishy toys? Squishy, squish, squish, squishy, 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 squish, squish, squishy, squish, Mama, Kai's sitting by himself again on my house. Kai's sitting by himself now.
He's sitting by himself.
Yeah, oh my
Well done,
God,
Becca.
he's great. I don't even know how he's sitting by himself.
Open front door, please.
Okay. So this is the front. See?
Mommy, Daddy's gonna go buy the fish now.
Amazing.
Mommy.
Yes.
Why don't you tell Daddy to bring me to the fish shop?
You can't go out. The car is stuck in the garage.
Where's the baby? Stop.
Are you going to the fish shop?
No.
Oh, that is not going to the fish shop. The what?
We won't go to the fish shop anymore, Mia. We won't go to the fish shop anymore.
Anymore? Okay.
Alright, let's do a haul, people. We have paper, toilet paper, and dalawang rice kasi naka-sale. Half price yung rice namin. Jasmine rice na sunrise. We have dalawang croissant. We have, paborito to ni Mia, Arnott's na caramel crown. Ayan. Naka-sale siya, half price. Hindi half price, 2 for 8 ata. Mountain Dew, kasi naka-sale din. Oh my! Spaghetti is ready. Coke, isang Coke lang ata in order ko. And 6 na yogurt. Oh! You okay?
Okay.
6 na yogurt for Ate Mia. And ito yung free kasi meron silang pa-free. Last time nung nag-order ako, meron silang binigay na bubuksan mo and then you get something. Ito yung nakuha ko. Nutella for free. Egg. Yakult. I-check out pag nag-order ka ulit. I-check out mo lang yung code nila. Promo code and then yeah. I have ice cream! Tada! Naka-sale kasi ito, guys. Ayan. Your favorite ice cream? I have some veggies, green beans, carrots. Oh, 2 o'clock na. Cabbage. Ang laki na ba ng cabbage? I have bean sprout. Luluto ulit ako ng spring roll. Mandarin. Kiwi. Wala na silang grapes. Hindi na ata season ng grapes. And avocado. Cucumber. Dalawang potato. And that's it. So, lahat ng yun is 100 something. 180 plus ata yung lahat, guys. Oh! Something is missing. Where's my wipes? Ah, Daddy. My 3 wipes is not here. Did they email me about my order? Goals. Kasi minsan, ini-email nila pag wala sila. Hindi din naman ma-substitute yun. Wala yung pepper ko, tsaka wala pepper, tsaka yung wipes. Yung pepper ko, they change it sa isang Coles brand. Kasi yung binili ko is Mackenzie na brand. But, nag-substitute sila ng iba. Oh, I think they're missing one bag. My wipes is not here. You sure, Daddy? You sure there's no more in the car? My wipes and the peppers not here.
Pretty sure.
I paid $183 for this. And my dried freeze mango and my battery and my fabric conditioner, my Colgate.
There's no more.
There's a lot missing.
Make them delivered.
There's also not here my coconut water. What the? Yun, dapat i-check nyo guys. My Indomie noodles is not here. The battery, the freeze dried mango.
But yeah, if I do need help, I'll call you back then.
There's a lot that's missing, guys. I have to call them. Ito lang yung mga problema mo pag hindi nila kinumpleto yung order mo.
I'm Cole's virtual agent. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that your call may be recorded for training and quality purposes. For the service team. If you are calling about an ETA for your Cole's online delivery, please have your order number ready and state delivery ETA. Now, so I can get you to the right place, what's the reason for your call today?
Missing items, click and collect.
Our online virtual agent can help with this inquiry and will connect you with a knowledgeable chat agent if it can't. Would you like me to send you a link so you can start a conversation?
Yes.
Great. I will send you that now. Thank you for calling Coles Online.
Pinapaayos na daddy yung garage door, guys. So, may pumunta to fix it. Yeah, I think it's fixed already. And si ate ready na siya to go to her swimming lesson. Alam nyo ba kahapon pumunta din sila sa swimming lesson, pero wala siyang swimming lesson, guys. Nag-change na pala yung schedule niya ng Wednesday. Kasi yun yung tawag dito, bagong level na siya. Nag-move up na siya sa bagong level kasi na-complete niya na yung level ng angelfish. So ngayon, barracuda level na siya. And I forgot, that was this week pala. Yung nakabook na kasi full yung bagong class ng barracuda. So she have to stay sa angelfish class for 2 weeks. And nakalimutan ko ngayon pala yung week na yun. Kasi naka 2 weeks na siya sa angelfish. Ngayon pala yun. Kahapon, nag-swimming lang siya dun. Swimming lang siya dun. So now, she is ready. Ready na siya. Hi guys, right here. Gising na siya. Pinadede ko lang tulog. Tapos nung transfer ko na nagising man. So, nag-ano ko. nagtawag ko, pero ging ano ko nila, ging
Ano yung mga order? Kaya ba ako sa kadlaw nga lang dito?
ging direct. Ano, this time niya, ang available siya. This time available siya, but they didn't pack it. Ultra nga paper towel, ang Indomie. Colgate.
So many. Siya balik ikaw na siya.
As in, damo-damo nga item, so they will just give me a credit.
Balik ikaw na siya.
That's just sa ba? Happy siya, oh. What happened, ate? Tell people.
Cat's by himself.
By himself. He's sitting by himself. He's sitting by himself. He's been practicing it. He's been practicing that. No, and now you did.
I
Amazing.
didn't even practice it yet. He just keep doing it.
And oops.
What do you mean the light?
Are you okay? Are you okay? Keep watching, mommy. Do it for a long time when you're eating.
Yeah, I'll send you the
For a
video.
long time.
I watch it and I was like, what's this guy mean? The light still on because it switch on when you came in.
Yes. See, that's how he did it.
Nah, it's already off. You came in. I'll show you the video. The two cables and two brackets.
Two cables and two brackets for.
Because the other one keeps snapping, so there is upgrade.
So
The cable broke,
that's 500.
including maybe.
That's
But
actually.
it won't break again, so it's good.
It won't break again.
And the remote only $45.
45 nothing.
If I knew it was that cheap, I would have bought it.
That's hell expensive. $500 for our garage door. Goodbye, $500. At least it's not gonna break again. But that was the first time, yeah? Oh, did we get it
Last
fixed?
time there was some problem with the.
Yeah, we got it fixed as well, no? Before
Mommy,
parang the motor.
you know, when I was 3 years old, then the garage keep breaking, and then we got it fixed by ourselves. The fixer didn't even come, and it's our first time of the fixer coming.
It's our first time for the fixer to come. She called it fixer. The garage door fixer. Ang sarap ng hopya na munggo, guys. Na-in-order ko lang siya dito sa bebenta. Nag-order ako ng mga skincare ko. And meron silang mga Filipino food. So, I ordered this as well. Naubos ko na siya. Hopya Dice Munggo. Maganda siya kasi dice, hindi yung pabilog. So, maliit lang siya. Isang kain mo lang ba? Masarap siya. What brand is this? Chinese Deli? Chinese pala siya. Ingbitin. Ingbitin. Yung tawag. Ayun na, going yet. Oh, it's early. Our little boy can sit already, guys. Tingnan niyo naman. Ay! Timing.
Tower!
Tingnan niyo siya. Oh. Siya lang yung magsisit by himself.
My tower, boo boy.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, he's getting all your cups. Kai, sit again, Kai.
Sit again.
Kai, can you sit again? Ayan na, upo na naman siya. Kai, sit again. Parang frog. Oo. Okay, Kai, sit na.
What a frog, what a frog, what a frog.
Oh no. Oh, where's ate? Where's ate gone? Upo ka na? Upo na si Kai. Oh, parang iiyak na nga. Upo na si Kai. Upo na, upo. Sit, Kai, sit. Oh, dali. Sit ikaw, sit. Try to sit. Oh, Kai will ruin your house, ate. Kai's coming. Oh no! Don't stretch it, ate. It will break. You're stretching it. Oh no! Go, Kai Kai, sit. Kai Kai, sit. Go, Kai Kai. Oh, be careful, Mia. Don't. Oh. What? He did it again! He did it again, ate! Look! He's sitting by himself! What? Sabi ni Mia kahapon, he's been sitting daw. Pero hindi ko nakikita.
Mommy, give Kai Robo clap.
Good job, Kai Kai! Well done!
Okay, let's go, ate.
Tapos na si ate sa swimming niya. Kakarating lang nila actually mga 10 minutes ago. And eto, nagising man agad. After dede, gising man. Ilang minutes lang yan. 30 minutes sleep na naman siya. Ah! Nakabihis man siya kasi nag-explode.
Kai's smiling and laughing at the same time because he remembered that Daddy and you and me were so proud at him for sitting by himself.
Yeah, I'm so proud of our Kai Kai for sitting by himself. He wants your food.
But do you know, he was supposed to not sit yet because he was supposed to sit on 6 months, but he's still 5 months. He can already sit by himself.
Yeah. In how many days? It's gonna be 6 months. Yeah, Kai Kai. Gusto niya yung kinakain ng ate niya. O, tinitingnan niya. Gusto niya din kumain. Kakadede niya lang. Busog pa yan siya. Ate. Silly ate. Silly ate lang. No, don't do that to him.
I'm not going to put the
Mm. How's swimming, ate? Ate Mia, how's your swimming?
good.
That's good. You have a different teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what did you learn today?
I learned about scooping the ice cream like this.
Oh, your hand? What? What's that? Oh, you have to do that when you swim?
And also how to do this.
When you swim? Oh! That's it. Pochi. Kung isa man, oh. Tingin-tingin siya dyan, oh.
No,
Don't jump there. Pochi. You're not allowed there. No. No. Si Kai Kai.
I mean, Kai's just sitting by himself. He does so super,
Oh, no.
super one.
Very strong, Kai.
Here's drawing. But look, Kai's body's straight. He's not even doing it. This
Ah,
anymore.
no. Luto tayo ng green beans with egg. Meron pa kami mga leftover, pero konti na lang din ang leftover namin. So, I don't know actually what to cook. But yeah, I wanna have green beans with egg. Fresh yung kanilang green beans, which is good. So, yung ano sa Coast, order ko sa Coast, ano guys, i-credit na lang nila sa account ko sa Coast. Ang dami nilang nakalimutan, siguro mga 10 pa na ano, items. Diba? Ang dami, no? Kakaloka. Baka na-pack na nila, nakalimutan lang talaga nila ilagay sa car. As in, ang dami nun. Okay. Last time, na-realize ko din na hindi nila nilagay yung ice cream na in-order ko. Pinahinayaan ko na lang. Kasi hindi ko naalala. Like, huli ko na siya naalala. I think mga, siguro 1 week after ko na naalala. Nasabi ko, parang may chinek out ako na ice cream. Tapos, chinek ko yung order ko sa app. Meron nga. Hindi lang nila nalagay, nasama.
The close-up is closed.
So, ayun. Nakakainis. Nakakainis yung ganun. Instead na, you know, walang hassle, nagka-hassle patuloy. Parang ikaw pa na-stress. Instead na walang stress, parang, ayun, nagka-stress pa. Kakaloka sila. Hindi lang to ngayon, guys. Like, sa other orders ko pa before, meron din silang nakakalimutan. Tapos, inahayaan ko na lang. But this time, super dami ha. Mga 10 items siguro yun. Yung wipes ni Kai, hindi nila na ano. So, pakunti. Ilan na lang. 1 wipes na lang yung meron ako. Tapos, nakasale pa yung wipes nila ngayon. So, kaya dinamihan ko. Tapos, hindi na nila inano. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. So, baka bukas. Baka mag-ano ulit ako order. Kasi kailangan ko ng wipes.
Mommy, Kai rode into my house.
Oh, wow.
Mommy, Kai wants to go in my house. I didn't even, Mommy.
Yeah.
I didn't push Kai in my house. Kai started crawling and then, Mommy, look, he's sitting in my house.
He's sitting. But he can't see anything. Oh, he's smiling. How cute are you, Kai Kai? Ah, my baby is so cute lang. Ayan, siguro okay na to. Ganyan lang kadabi. May natira pa. Yeah, that's alright. Mabuti na lang din meron silang fruits na silabay. Kasi kailangan ko ng fruits for tomorrow. May school na si Mia.
Mia, you win. You win. Win.
Tapos na yung ating onion. Ano na lang dito?
Why are you doing that to my cup?
Just gentle to him, okay?
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path.
I said you gotta wash all that. I said you gotta wash all that cups because it's dirty.
Why?
Because you drop everything on the floor, Dai.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's not okay.
It's eating so good, you little froggy. You look like a little frog.
When he's actually crawling, he looks like a frog.
You look like a little frog from behind. You should get him that frog outfit.
Frog outfit.
Yeah. You know there's a frog outfit?
Daddy, I know. It'll be better.
Hi, Dad. Watch out. I think we need to wrap this one.
I'm drinking milk because I'll
She's
be
like right onto it.
helping milk.
You're cooking.
Just green beans and egg. Just green beans and
You want me to
egg.
cook it?
Yeah, I can cook it.
I'll make it yummy. I'll make it yummy.
Why, my cooking is not yummy? Seriously? You say that in my face right now?
Bland.
It's nice.
Tell her it's bland.
I already have the green beans there. Oh, the thing is already hot.
Where's the green bean?
Already there.
I think we missed something. Some green onions.
There's one in the fridge. The green onions. I think
Hey, what are you making?
it's green beans and egg.
It's bland, mate.
It's bland. That's a lot of flavor for me.
Your cooking is bland.
Uh,
Tell her, Mia.
no, Mia said mommy's cooking is delicious. Diba, Diba, Mia? Right?
Mommy's cooking is delicious. Daddy's
Stop
cooking
lying.
is delicious.
Stop
Both
lying.
of you, don't be such a poo-poo. Don't be such a poo-poo, Mom, okay? You guys don't fight together one more time. Or I will upset you guys from together.
Stop lying.
Hey, I'm gonna be a boss today. I'm gonna be a boss.
Who's the boss?
Who's the boss?
I'm your sister boss right now, and I'm your sister kid.
I'm putting the ano na. The
Yeah, green bean fish. Cook it fish.
Mia, did you put ano here?
You don't have to try it. What are you doing?
Because it's gonna splash.
No.
No. Oil and water.
It will be okay. Just pour it all in together.
It's so wet. I just rinse it with water again.
Okay. When you cook and you don't turn on the exhaust, it's proven that you don't know how to cook. Who cooks that doesn't turn on the exhaust?
I was going to, but I forgot. I did something else. Mia, just play with all the cups. Can you take it out? Because it needs to be washed. She play with all the cups.
Yeah, you can cook it. Take it cook first before you put the...
Yeah, I
You
know,
put fish sauce?
I know.
You put fish sauce?
No.
You put fish sauce or no?
So,
Huh? Put some fish sauce. And sugar?
no, don't put sugar in there.
You meant to. What else do you put in here?
Just pepper.
Pepper and salt?
Yeah.
You know what magic syrup means?
I put magic syrup for it. That magic syrup is not magic syrup. That's the nor from the top. The nor for the soup. The Vietnamese one. You know that? The Vietnamese seasoning?
You didn't put garlic in here, eh?
The Vietnamese seasoning, this one. That's not magic syrup.
No, no.
That's the one I put in there.
Then you put some more garlic also.
In the,
In the
in the egg, you want I already have garlic in this. Yes, ate. That's our green beans. I already put. I have.
more than this, man.
I thought you were gonna put it in there, in the egg. That's the egg.
You didn't season this, eh? What did you put? Huh? This one here? What is that?
This one already has like a stock.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder. Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder. Can I
See that? Is that how you cook? Really?
Really?
Mommy will have some green cola. This is like green cola, you know? This is Mountain Dew. Do you think this is Mommy's favorite drink? Nah, not really. Mommy's favorite drink is bubble tea. Bubble tea. Milk tea. Ah, milk tea. Gising na naman to. Nakatingin lang kay mami. Tingin siya siguro na bago siya. Bakit ano yun sa ilong ni mami? Ubus na naman yung memory card ko. Say good night na. Good night. Good night, guys. Bye. Bye to the people. Wave. Bye. Good night. Bye. Good night, dali. Good night. High five. High five. High five. High five, mama. High five, mama. Here. High five. Yay! Say good night. Good night. Nakagising lang. Anong oras na?
Can
10
we
na.
trust the stars above to let us know?